Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I will tell you benefits of blue tea which is prepared from Aparajita flowers. I will also tell you the recipe of preparing the blue tea. Blue tea is considered as the best memory booster ever available on the earth. It has been scientifically proven that blue tea does detoxification of brain through cleansing of overall brain structure and helps in boosting memory. It also helps in treating pimple and acne and reduces their outbreak too. Flavonoid present in the blue tea stimulates collagen production and helps fight skin aging. Cures fever, diarrhea, gastritis, nausea and vomiting, and can even cure bleeding anus. Blue tea also removes toxicity present in the blood and hence helps in blood purification. Blue tea also promotes blood circulation in head and thus provides healthy scalp and stimulates hair growth. Blue tea consumption also promotes healthy heart and healthy respiratory system. Blue tea is helpful in diabetes too. Hello friends, now let us see how can we make the blue tea from these Aparajita flowers. These are the flowers which bloom today. I have collected this flower in the evening, and you have to do one thing after collecting the flowers, that tap flowers slowly so that if any kind of the ant or any insect is there inside the flower, it must get out from it. So check whether any kind of insect is present in the flower or not. Normally you can find out the ant in this because it has some sweet essence into it, and because of that the ant are normally present. So you have to check that. After checking that, to make the blue tea we have to start this water and slowly we have to add this flower into it. There is no need to remove the green portion of the flower. Keep it as it is and allow the water to boil for some time. Up to that you have to wait for some time. Now you can see the water has started boiling and it has become blue also, but we have to boil it till the complete color of the flowers comes into the water. So wait for some more time. You can see here that the flowers has completely lost its color. So all good nutrients or ingredients of this Aparajita flower has come into this boiling water. Let us boil it for few more seconds. After that we have to strain it in a glass. So I think it is ready now. See, all color is faint now. So our tea is ready now. Let us strain it in a glass. And this is the blue tea which is ready now. You can use this tea in place of your green tea. You can replace your green tea with this tea. As I have narrated earlier, it has so many advantages and it is very good for health. It doesn't have any kind of bitter taste or any other specific taste, offensive taste. It doesn't have any kind of the offensive taste. So you can consume this as well as you can prepare this tea for your child or children who are preparing for various competitive examination, because it is one of the best memory booster available in our environment. If you have liked my video, please press the like button, share with your friends and subscribe to my channel. Thank you everyone. See you soon. Happy gardening.